Hello everyone, welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. In today's video, we are diving into employee lifecycle and experience management, two critical aspects that shape HR operations and employee satisfaction. We'll explore why lifecycle management is important, how HRST enhance employee experience, and the future of HRST. Let's begin. Introduction. Employee lifecycle management covers the entire journey of an employee from hiring to exit. Experience management ensures that each stage of this journey is seamless, engaging, and efficient. Poor lifecycle management leads to inefficiencies, disengagement, and compliance risks. A well structured lifecycle means ensures employee satisfaction, productivity, and retention. That's why the employee lifecycle management is important. The role of employee experience in HRSD. Employee experience focuses on making HR interaction easy, intuitive, and responsive. ServiceNow HRSD enables HR teams to deliver a more connected and personalized experience. Key features: automated workflows for onboarding, career transitions, and offboarding, AI driven self service portals that empower employees, and mobile friendly access for HR services on the go. Employee lifecycle management. Onboarding and offboarding. ServiceNow automates onboarding by assigning tasks, setting up IT access, and providing training materials. Offboarding workflows ensures a smooth transitions with exit returns, exit interviews, and compliance tracking. Then career development and transfers. HRSD helps manage promotions, role changes, and skill development programs. Automated approvals streamline internal transfer, reducing paperwork. Then employee journey mapping. ServiceNow enables HR teams to create customized employee journeys that aligns with business goals. Example, a new manager training program can be triggered when an employee is promoted. Then HRSD and compliance. The platform ensures HR processes follow legal and organizational compliance rules. Audit trials and role based access protects sensitive employee data. Enhancing employee experience. Self service portal and knowledge base. Employee can find answer to HR queries, submit requests, and track status without contacting HR. A well structured HR knowledge base reduces case volumes. AI and chatbots in HRSD. AI driven chatbots guide employees, answer common HR questions, and escalate complex issues. They improve response times and HR efficiencies. The mobile friendly HR interactions. Employee can access HR service from any device, anywhere. Mobile accessibility boosts engagement and convenience. Then personalized HR services. HRSD provides customized recommendations based on employer roles and preferences. For example, a new parent might automatically receive information about parental leave policies. Then business outcomes and future prospects. Increased HR efficiency. Automation reduces manual HR tasks, allowing HR teams to focus on strategic initiatives. Then enhanced employee management. When HR services are easy to access and personalized, employees feel valued and supported. Then data driven insights. HRST analytics provide real time insights into employee satisfaction, performance, and retention trends. Then HR teams can make proactive decisions based on data. Then emerging trends in HRST. AI driven predictive analytics for employee retention, increase adoption of virtual reality training in onboarding, and then greater integration of HRST with the enterprise wide business systems. So let's explore the life cycle events on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if we type life cycle, then under life cycle events, these are some life cycle event cases like request onboarding case, request onboarding, request for account notification, then the activities, the from here we can manage the life cycle events, like this is the new hire onboarding. So these are the activity sets for the managed life cycle events of new hire onboarding, from pre-hiring, which include different activities like open for request, subjected person request, account notification, and drug screen, and different things. Then the pre-boarding, then day 1, week 1, day 30. So this includes the complete life cycle of an employee from onboarding to offboarding. That wraps up our video on employee life cycle and experience management in ServiceNow HRST. We explored how HRST streamlines the employee journey, enhance experience, and drives better business outcomes. In our next video, we will dive deeper into another key HRST feature. So stay tuned. See you next time. Thank you.